Hello lovely, in today's video I'll be showing you how I got this super defined braid out using the golden one and the clove MSM fenugreek elixir from Curly Proverbz. I've already done a detailed haul of all of the Curly Proverbz products. I've also done a tutorial showing you how I use their coffee and orange glow, and I've done a tutorial showing you how I deep condition my hair using the henna and aloe mask. In that video I also explain how I've been able to retain length by continuously using Ayurvedic herbs on my hair. All of those videos will be linked in the description. Right, let's get into this braid out. So I've already done my hot oil treatment, detangled, cleansed and conditioned my hair. My hair is feeling so soft but yet nice and strong from the henna and aloe mask. So the products I'll be using are my glycerin leave-in spray, my MSM fenugreek elixir, the golden one and my homemade moisturizer. A link to how I made that will be right here up in the cards. This is what my hair is looking like without any product on, and I'll show you some close-ups of what my hair looks like once I've applied each of the products. Starting off with spritzing my scalp and my hair with my vegetable glycerin spray. For those of you who don't know, I don't use any traditional synthetic store-bought products on my hair, so this DIY has replaced my conventional leave-in conditioner. The distilled water within this product is obviously providing me with hydration, and the glycerin helps to condition my hair. So in essence, this is my leave-in. I've been using this for a year and a half now in replacement of my traditional store-bought leave-in conditioner, and it has worked wonders for my hair. As you can see, my hair has absorbed all of that goodness, and I will be going into detail about all of the benefits of each of the ingredients and products I'm using a bit later on in the video. I'm now going in with my MSM clove and fenugreek elixir, and I'll be concentrating this on my scalp only. It does say on the instructions to heat this product up before application, but I'm not going to do that, and I'll be showing you what I do instead at the end of the video. Going in with about 5 pumps of the golden one, I'm going to coat my hair strands from tip to root. This is definitely one of my favorite oils. It doesn't weigh the hair down and it keeps my hair moisturized for days. You can see just how easily my hair is absorbing this product, and the shine that it gives my hair is just amazing. Time to seal everything in with my homemade shea butter. I found that the golden one works so well with this product. They literally go hand in hand, so be sure to check out my tutorial showing you how to make the hair butter. Again, I'm going to focus firstly on the ends of my hair and then work my way up. So this is what my hair is looking like now that I have applied all of my products, so I'm going to braid it up and move on to the next section. Please do let me know if you tried any of the Curly Proverbz products before below in the comments, and let me know your thoughts on them, because I've been using them for months now and I love them all. So yeah, what are your thoughts? Please do share. If you haven't tried any of the products yet, let me know if you will be trying them in the future and what products you're thinking of purchasing. So I'm going to repeat the steps whilst explaining the benefits of each of the products I'm using today, starting off with the vegetable glycerin spray. So this product is very hydrating for the hair and the scalp. Glycerin acts as a natural conditioner for the hair. It's a humectant, so it's going to attract and bind moisture from the air, which helps to leave the hair nice and soft throughout the day. It softens and smooths the hair cuticle and reduces frizz. It's also beneficial to the scalp because it reduces dandruff and itchiness, providing a healthier environment for healthy hair growth. The traditional leave-in conditioners I used to use before, and trust me, I have used so many. Although some of them would make my hair feel nice and soft, they would also dry my hair out over time, which led to me having brittle hair strands. I also noticed once I stopped using traditional store-bought leave-in conditioners and traditional natural hair moisturizers that my scalp health improved massively. Obviously, whatever products we put on our hair will inevitably transfer to our scalp, and I honestly believe, now that I haven't used any of these products in over a year and a half, that the synthetic ingredients and synthetic fragrances were contributing to the issues that I was having with my scalp and with my hair. Once I replaced my synthetic ingredients with natural ingredients strictly from nature, my hair and scalp health improved so much. It was proof enough for me to never go back. But anyway, let's talk about the ingredients within the Curly Proverbz MSM clove and fenugreek elixir, as well as the benefits. So we've got coconut and olive oil, fenugreek seeds, castor seed oil, clove, hibiscus, vitamin C, MSM, tea tree, peppermint and rosemary essential oils. So all natural ingredients, which I love. So the fenugreek is a rich source of iron and protein, which are essential nutrients for hair growth. The cloves are going to help boost blood circulation to the scalp, which can also help with hair growth. The hibiscus is great for follicular health. The MSM extends the growth stage of the hair cycle. So basically, it's helping to keep your hair in the growth stage for longer. This elixir also helps to reduce inflammation, dandruff, and can even help to provide relief for those of you who suffer from psoriasis. Now, the coconut and olive oil help to provide you with that much needed moisture, and of course you have the benefits of the essential oils, which are antibacterial, so great for overall scalp health and hair growth. Now, you'll notice that throughout this video I'm showing you some side-by-side comparisons of my hair from the start of my hair journey of using only natural ingredients, and I can honestly say that my hair has never grown at this rate before. The integrity of my hair has massively improved. My hair is fuller than it's ever been. My dormant follicles have awakened, so the bald patches that I once had on my head, which were there for like 10 years, have now started growing healthy hair again. I just can't recommend holistic hair care enough to you. It just gives you great peace of mind when you know that every single ingredient being absorbed by your scalp is healthy and beneficial. Now, remember how I didn't heat up the clove MSM elixir before applying it to my scalp? What I like to do is pop my electric heat cap on for a couple of minutes, and the heat is going to activate all of those amazing ingredients so you can get maximum benefits. It is now the next day, and I'm going to coat my fingers in my DIY shea butter before pulling out my plaits, and I have about 8 plaits in total. So I thought I would show you some before footage of how my edges used to look. Bear in mind, my edges and hair in general is very fine and I don't have many follicles in that area, but it's clear to see that my holistic hair care practices have made a significant difference with the health of my edges. They have finally grown back and are healthier than they've been in a very long time. Let's now talk about the ingredients within the golden one and of course all the benefits. So we've got castor oil, carrot root extract, jojoba seed oil, pumpkin seed oil, orange essential oil, cedarwood and lemongrass essential oil. Again, some amazing all natural ingredients within this product. The castor and jojoba seed oil is going to help you effectively moisturize your hair. The carrot root extract is going to provide your hair with that much needed strength. So you've got a great balance of both strength and moisture when you apply this to your hair. Now, even though I'm not applying this product to my scalp today, you can most definitely do that because it's going to strengthen the roots of your hair and help with blood circulation. Now, the orange cedarwood and lemongrass essential oils are going to help promote healthy hair growth, increase blood circulation to the scalp, which can lead to less hair fall, and not to mention they smell amazing. So again, another Curly Proverbz product that I would highly recommend you giving a try. While I was pulling out my braids, all I could think of is just how soft my hair feels, but it also feels strong as well, which is what you want. You want to have a good balance of moisture and strength because this is what's going to allow for you to retain the length of your hair, or at least that's what I've found. Now, I've done braid outs before where I've done about 20 plaits in my hair, and it really just doesn't work out for me. I find that I prefer the way my braid out looks when I do 8 to 10 braids, but this is just me personally. Obviously, do what works best for you. Now, I want to mention here that I did a little experiment with my hair after using the golden one and the clove fenugreek elixir. I basically followed the same steps shown in this video, and I had my hair out in a front puff for the day. On a day when it was like 5 degrees outside, I was super nervous that my hair was going to dry out and break. My hair was totally fine, okay? My curls stayed in for the whole day. They stayed moisturized and soft, and I can promise you that if I had used my old conventional synthetic products on my hair, that would not have been the case. I used to think that my hair was naturally dry because it would usually dry out having my hair out like that and leaving it out on a cold day. But now I know that it's not that I have naturally dry hair, it's just that I was using unhealthy products on my hair. When I tell you it was a game changer once I discovered this, I can't say this enough. Please do consider upgrading your hair care products by incorporating and using healthy ingredients on your hair. You are going to see a significant difference if you do this. I'm not going to separate my curls too much because I want a more defined look, so I'll just be fluffing away until I get the desired look I'm going for. I'm hoping that you can see the health of my hair, the fact that there is minimal frizz and it just looks and feels so soft and shiny. These are honestly my go-to products when I want to do a braid out. Let me know if you're considering trying a braid out using the Curly Proverbz golden one, and if you give it a try, let me know what your results were like and let me know your thoughts on the product. So this is the final results. So as you can see, I decided to do like a little side part thing. I actually prefer side parts. I don't know. Sometimes I'll do the middle parting, but it's not very often. And yeah, so I just thought, now I said that, I'm going to do a side part. Look how it turned out, guys. I absolutely love it. I've done a few braid outs using the Curly Proverbz products before, and that's why I just had to come on here and show you the results because my hair feels so soft. As you can see, it's really bouncy. Now, most of you know that I'm actually doing a hair challenge, so I'm not one to really be leaving my hair out all that often. But every now and again, not gonna lie, I have left my hair out, and I even had it out when I went on holiday to Thailand. I couldn't help myself, guys. I love my afro. And so those are the products that I would use. I'd use the golden one and I'd use the MSM clove elixir. I didn't separate my curls too much because I do have very fine hair, and if I separate them too much, the frizz is just going to be frizzing a little bit too early for my liking. I like it to be a little bit more frizzy on day 2. Throughout the day, my hair is going to get a little bit bigger and voluminous, and that's just the way that I love it. But I also love it when it's like this as well, and the curls are kind of tight and right. I can't even stop playing with my hair, you know. I can't even stop playing with my hair. What was I even saying? You know what I really love about this braid out? I haven't used not one toxic formulated conventional product on my hair. Everything that I've used has been natural and just divine. And that's what we want. That's what we want for our health, for our hair. And this is the video that you want to watch next if, like me, you are on a natural hair, healthy hair journey. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you there. Take care.